Hey everyone, it's Paola from WTI, and I received this little gift from Greece from PJ KABOS. It is Greek extra virgin olive oil, and let me tell you, they have turned me into an olive oil snob. This is award-winning olive oil, and PJ KABOS has 3 different flavor categories. This one right here is the medium one. So the flavor will be a little bit more earthy and grassy than what you're used to, but that's because this is real extra virgin olive oil and it has a high content of polyphenols. That is what you really want from extra virgin olive oil. It is going to have the highest antioxidant benefits. PJ KABOS packages it purposefully in these smaller tin cans. They especially help prevent oxidation. There's no sunlight getting through here, and it has a airtight seal lid right there. And you can use it for cooking, for salad dressings, for pretty much your everyday thing. So if you're curious what award-winning olive oil tastes like, try this one by PJ KABOS. But that's just my point of view.